Hello kids, today we are going to learn how to write the small letters. Please subscribe for more educational videos for kids. Thank you. Important. There are 6 letters. Those are capital letters and never change into the small letters. These are called naughty letters. Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za and Waw. And there are some more rules we will discuss in the next class. Ta and Za, these 2 letters are already small letters. Important. The pronunciation of the letter is the first letter of the name of an alphabet. Like Alif is starting with A, Ba is starting with B. In the previous class with the capital letters, we learned the names of alphabets over here. Now with the small letters, we will learn the pronunciation of the letter in this box. Alif starts with A, Ba starts with B, Ta is starting with T, important. There are 4 alphabets. Those have H with its pronunciation Sa, Ha, Sheen and Ghain, and it is necessary to write. Sa is starting with T plus H. Jim starts with J. Ha starts with H. Ha starts with K plus H. Dal starts with T. Zal is Z. Ra is R. Za starts with Z. Seen is S. Sheen is S plus H. Important. There are more 4 letters. Those have W with them. Sod, Dod, Ta and Za. The letter W will only to make the letters sound thick and to make difference between the same sound letters in Arabic, and it is not necessary to write. Sod starts with S plus W. Dod is D plus W. Ta is T plus W. And Za is Z plus W. Ain is starting with A, but Ain and Alif with any vowel will change their pronunciation. So there are different conditions we will learn inshallah in the next lessons. Ghain starts with G plus H. Fa starts with F. Qaf is starting with Q. Kaf starts with K. Lam is L. Mim is M. Noon is starting with N. Ha starts with H. Waw is W. And Ya is starting with Y. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.